Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Olaplex Kit is probably one of the most talked about hair repair systems on the market, promising to rebuild broken disulfide bonds in your hair, which are essential for hair's structural integrity and strength, making it a game changer for anyone dealing with damage from heat styling, chemical treatments, or environmental stressors. And if you're looking to restore your hair to its healthiest, most vibrant state, this comprehensive system might just be your holy grail solution. Number 5. Olaplex N Degree 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex N Degree 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to bring new life to your locks. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It's a quick yet effective way to revitalize your hair's health. It actively repairs damage, targeting the core issues that affect your hair's integrity. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to resilience. Experience a noticeable difference as your hair becomes softer and significantly stronger. It's the transformation you've been waiting for. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. See and feel the immediate impact of this advanced formula. It delivers visible results, leaving your hair looking and feeling its best. What we like? This is a quick pre-shampoo treatment for immediate hair repair. If you have severely damaged hair and need a fast solution, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want stronger, softer hair with minimal time commitment. What people say. It is a two-step process that involves applying the bond builder to damp hair before shampooing and conditioning. This system is designed to repair and protect hair from damage caused by chemical treatments, heat styling, and environmental stressors. The kit includes the Olaplex No. 1 Bond Multiplier and the Olaplex No. 2 Bond Perfector, which work together to relink broken disulfide bonds in the hair. Number 4. Olaplex N Degree 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex N Degree 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and defend your hair against future breakage. Tired of frizz? This powerful formula works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smooth and manageable. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this conditioner is formulated to provide the care it needs. Experience stronger, healthier-looking hair with every use. It helps to rebuild and strengthen your hair bonds. Discover the transformative power of Olaplex. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a commitment to hair health. What we like? This conditioner actively repairs damage and defends against future breakage. If you struggle with frizz and want to strengthen your hair while you wash, this is the one for you. It's ideal for maintaining healthy, resilient hair after chemical treatments or heat styling. What people say. This product is amazing for my bleached hair. It makes my hair feel so much healthier and stronger. I have been using Olaplex for a few weeks now and I can see a significant difference in my hair's texture and shine. My hair was severely damaged from heat styling and coloring, but Olaplex has helped to repair it and bring it back to life. Number 3. Olaplex N Degree 7 Bonding Oil. Introducing Olaplex N Degree 7 Bonding Oil, your ultimate hair solution. This revolutionary product is designed to transform your hair. Achieve a brilliant shine while protecting your hair from heat damage. It's perfect for everyday styling and heat styling. Experience visibly smoother and softer hair with every use. It leaves your locks feeling luxurious and manageable. Enhance the vibrancy of your hair color. It helps maintain a rich and lively hue, making your color pop. Enjoy up to 72 hours of frizz control. Say goodbye to unruly flyaways and hello to sleek, smooth hair. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this oil is formulated for you. It works wonders on all textures. What we like? Achieve incredible shine and heat protection with this bonding oil. If you're looking to add vibrancy to your color and tame frizz for up to 72 hours, this is a must-have. It's perfect for daily styling to protect and enhance your hair's appearance. What people say. This product is a game changer for my hair. It has made my hair so much stronger and healthier looking. I have been using Olaplex for a few weeks now and I can already see a significant difference in my hair's texture and shine. My hair was severely damaged from bleaching and Olaplex has helped to repair it and bring it back to life. Number 2. Number 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Number 6 Bond Smoother, a leave-in styling treatment designed to transform your hair. It smooths, conditions, and strengthens for a flawless finish. Experience unparalleled frizz control that lasts for up to 72 hours. This powerful formula is also humidity resistant, keeping your hair smooth in any weather. Infused with nourishing ingredients, it deeply moisturizes your strands, leaving them feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to silky perfection. Tangled hair is a thing of the past. This treatment effortlessly detangles while providing essential conditioning, making your hair more manageable and healthier. It works to strengthen your hair from within, repairing damage and preventing future breakage. Achieve visibly stronger, healthier-looking hair with every use. This all-in-one treatment is your secret weapon for perfect styling. It smooths, conditions, strengthens, and protects, ensuring your hair always looks its best. What we like. This leave-in treatment smooths, conditions, and strengthens your hair all day. If you need long-lasting frizz control and want to repair damage while styling, this is your go-to. It's ideal for anyone seeking a polished look with added hair health benefits. What people say. It is a patented system that works on a molecular level to reling broken disulfide bonds in the hair. It is a two-step system that includes a pre-shampoo treatment and a conditioner. It is designed to repair and protect hair from damage caused by chemical treatments, heat styling, and environmental stressors. Number 1. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a breakthrough in hair care. This patented treatment offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. Say goodbye to dry and frizzy strands. It effectively smooths and revitalizes your hair, restoring its natural texture. Specifically designed to reverse damage caused by chemical services. It works to rebuild and strengthen your hair from within. Experience visible results in just 4 minutes. This powerful mask works quickly to restore your hair's health and vitality. Shield your hair from the damaging effects of bleach, color treatments, and heat styling. It provides essential protection and repair. Utilizing patented molecular technology, it targets the core of hair damage. This ensures deep, lasting repair for healthier-looking hair. What we like. Experience patented molecular repair that reverses damage in just 4 minutes. If your hair is dry, frizzy, or damaged from chemical services and heat, this mask is a game changer. It's designed for those seeking profound, lasting repair for compromised hair. What people say. This kit is a game changer for damaged hair, leaving it noticeably stronger and softer after just a few uses. The system effectively repairs broken bonds in the hair, reducing frizz and improving overall hair health. My hair feels significantly more hydrated and manageable, with a healthy shine that wasn't there before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.